But why it's hard is because being a human is like Pandora's box, right? The story of Pandora's box, Greek mythology. The word on the street is the gods was like, yo, we gotta make somebody that's really, really cool, something special. So they all got around this chalice, I'm assuming. You know, I don't really want to assume. And they start pouring ideas in there. And they made Pandora damn near perfect. And then somebody was like, yo, you know what we should do? What? We should put a drop of curiosity in her. Why would we do that? Well, well, let me back it up. First of all, they gave her a job. Her task was to watch this box. Her job was to protect this box. And inside of this box was all of life's tragedies. I remember Cat in the Hat. It was like that. When all the things came out of the box, they stole that from Pandora's box, y'all. That was Pandora's box. They opened Pandora's box. That's you see it. So when thing one and thing two is entice them. So basically, look, so they put a little bit of curiosity in her. She went and opened the box. She released hell onto the world. The point is, really, Pandora was curious. She opened up the box. I'm saying all this to you is that you have a little bit of curiosity, which is either causing you to open Pandora's box or causing you not to open up the box. Whatever that is, whatever that chaos in your life is, whatever that peace in your life is, there's something inside of you that you can work on, but you got to know that it's not anything on the outside. It's on the inside.